What's going on, guys? So I'm back and I went to test and tune again and try the car, but this time it has the billet flywheel and it has a solid clutch. And I refined the fuel map a little bit, and that picked up a little bit of mile per hour, but I couldn't launch it. It's just really aggressive. I tried bringing a little bit of ignition down on first gear, it still wouldn't go. The cycle was at 30 now because like the whole 8 mile was spinning. You can see it in the video right now. So did a little something. I got the sensor from the camshaft of a J35A4. You see where I cut it? You can see it right there. And I put it in my rear wheel because that one fits in there to read the bolts from the rotor. Now the thing is, to be able to run that VR sensor or variable reluctance sensor as an input for fueltech, I need to convert it to Hall effect, and that's when this comes in. This variable reluctance to Hall effect converter for the signal. It's really small, but it's kind of expensive, but it works. So now I can turn the wheel and I get mile per hour on the rear wheel. All I have to do now is calibrate it to get the right speed on the front and the rear, and now I can use active traction control in the chase of the 11s on hard tire. This regular summer tire. So we'll see if we can achieve that. Now let me show you what I did in the back, because let me get in there. Hold on. Where's my light? I lost my light. It's right here. Found it. So I'm running the wheelwood brakes. I have a spare hole on the bottom that honestly I didn't know what it was for, but I used that. And I'll show you. Let me lift this thing a little bit up so I can fit in there. And safety first. Get stand if I can find it. So much crap everywhere. Oh, right here next to me. I'm a dumbass. Okay. So I'm gonna put this in. Just use them. Jack gets off because it's a Harbor Freight. Okay, that's in there. Now let's get back in here and I'm gonna show you what's picking the mile per hour on this thing. So this is a 2-wire sensor, variable reluctance. Now if you see that bolt right there, that one right there, it moves up and down. That's the trigger for the sensor. The sensor is back here. I can probably catch it. So you see it right there? It's got 6 bolts. And those 6 bolts send a signal for each rotation. And that's what gives me my mile per hour. So it works. It's a little ghetto, but it works. I'm getting a reading, and that's what matters. So oh yeah, I'm high. Now all I gotta do is calibrate it and go test it again. Like I said, I'm trying to hit at least an 11.9999 on these tires. This is regular tire, which is hard. It is not as easy as it sounds. If the track prep is good, it makes it a lot easier, but the way the track was the last day, yeah, it wasn't bad. Especially with this clutch. This clutch is way more aggressive, so I can slip it like the stock clutch. So instead of slipping the clutch, I'm still gonna try to slip it a little bit, but instead of relying on the clutch slip, we're gonna rely on the traction control. As long as we can set it up right, I think we can run 11s on these tires, which is the goal. Just have a phone car that puts some really nice passes, like you drive it to the track, put some really nice passes, drive it back, and of course I'm gonna take it to some road racing and stuff like that, or something that I have to pull up to the track and start changing tires and all that crap. I don't want to do any of that. I just want to drive to the track, make a nice ass pass or two, drive back, and every now and then take it to some road racing, because it is kind of competitive on road racing, so we'll see what happens. But guys, subscribe, let me know, because we're gonna keep chasing those 11s on hard tire, and if you want to keep up with it,